Hello, so this is a continuation of the DIY reviews that I do of the designs I made in the past. So today I'm going to be reviewing this skirt I made a long time back, and just what it looks like then and now. And you guys know I make these review videos just to build you guys faith in DIYs and why you should not consider DIYs a waste of time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what this skirt looks like today, and the old clip of course as to how I made the design. So yeah, alright guys, so these were the designs I made. They were mostly stones. I just placed the gold stones on there, and that was mostly what I did. It's still just there. Alright, so this doesn't fall off, especially because of the material. Not just the material, if you use a right tool, which I did, like I used fabric glue, so that's it. So as you guys can see, the stones are still just there as it was, and the design is still same. Oh god, no.